Hello and welcome to our channel, where we provide nutrition advice to help you live a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we'll be discussing how to meal prep for a healthy week. Meal prepping is an excellent way to save time and money while maintaining a healthy diet. By planning ahead, you can ensure that you have nutritious meals ready to go throughout the week. So let's get started. The first step in meal prepping is to plan your meals. Decide what you want to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner throughout the week. This will help you make a grocery list and ensure that you have all the ingredients you need. You can use a meal planning app or simply write your plan down on paper. Once you have your meal plan, it's time to go grocery shopping. Stick to your list and avoid impulse purchases. Buy fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy grains. Look for sales and discounts to save money. The key to successful meal prepping is to cook in batches. Prepare several servings of each meal at once and store them in individual containers. This will make it easy to grab and go throughout the week. You can also freeze some meals for later. When meal prepping, it's important to use portion control. Measure out your servings to ensure that you're getting the right amount of nutrients. This will also help you avoid overeating and keep your calorie intake in check. Proper food storage is essential for meal prepping. Store your meals in airtight containers in the refrigerator or freezer. Label each container with the date and contents to keep track of what you have. Eating the same meals every day can get boring. Mix it up by trying new recipes and flavors. You can also use leftovers to create new meals throughout the week. This will keep your taste buds happy and prevent boredom. Staying organized is key to successful meal prepping. Set aside a specific time each week to plan, shop, and cook. Use a calendar or app to keep track of your meals and grocery lists. This will help you stay on track and avoid stress. Well, there you have it. Those are our tips for meal prepping for a healthy week. By planning ahead, cooking in batches, and using portion control, you can save time and money while maintaining a healthy diet. Remember to stay organized and mix it up to keep things interesting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nutrition advice.